Natural persons. Duly registered criminologists and holder of valid certification of registration and valid professional identification card, issued by the Board and the Commission according to RA number 1131. So what is RA number 11131? Is the Philippine Criminology Profession Act of 2018, a law that regulates and professionalizes the practice of criminology in the Philippines. It established the Professional Regulatory Board for criminologists to oversee licensure exams, registration, and the practice of criminology, while also standardizing education and promoting professional development for criminologists in areas like law enforcement, forensic science, and corrections.
Now, let's talk about the juridical persons. Single proprietorship, whose owner and technical staff are registered criminologists. Partnership, a group of people working together with most of them being registered criminologists. Corporation, a company with officers and directors who are all registered criminologists. Association or cooperative, a non-profit organization mostly made up of registered criminologists.